What's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. I wanted to make this quick video about grain. I'm going to start letting everybody know about these, at least giving my opinion on these cards that they got. It seemed like this is the new thing with the digital credit card. And this one here, one of my business associates, he was using this for actually getting his customers to get credit and then sign up with his services that he provides. And I mean, that's I don't like people going into debt to work with our company, but this is something that uh, it's very interesting. It's the big thing on it. This is the big thing that has really caught my attention is that they're not only using the credit scores, this one here, with some of the other ones, but with this specific one, they're saying that they're not using your credit score. But I'm telling you that this stuff really does link up to your credit scores because if you don't pay the money back, really your credit scores, your credit reports, reporting to them is really the only thing that they have in their back pocket unless they're gonna, take you to court and sue you. But the first line of defense for them is gonna be with your credit reports. And with this one, it's only available on Apple for right now for some reason. They have not expanded to Android. So now what they're doing is they're saying that how it works, just sync your current debit card and use Grain as you would a credit card. Grain analyzes your income and instantly offers you a revolving line of credit. So they're going to look at your income, look at the way that you're using uh, your checking account. So basically, when they say they're going to look at your income, they're going to basically look at how you're putting money into your checking account and how that checking account is being utilized every month. And then based off of that, they're going to offer you a line of credit. And from what he has been reporting to me is it's going to be up to $1,000 of credit. And I think they had some type of thing here. Yeah. So they're kind of showing that here. So let's see here. Can't get a credit card, no problem. You're more than just a credit score. This seems to be like the big thing, like all of the websites that are doing this stuff, the Apple Card, all of them, and you're more than a score. With Grain, you'll get a revolving line of credit based on your income and cash flow. And again, they're basing that off of your bank account. They're talking about bank level security, Grain rate 12% with auto pay. If you don't do auto pay, it's probably going to be a lot higher. Uh, let's see. Join the Android wait list. That's coming soon. These websites are like they don't have a lot of information on there. And I think that that's what makes people so skeptical about with dealing with them. But what overcomes them having these minimal websites is that they're actually giving people money. So, I mean, it doesn't matter to people because they're like, hey, I'm not spending any money to get the money from them, and they're actually going to give me credit. So this one here didn't have much to it. It's the digital card, Grain, the digital card for everyone, Grain, and how it works. Just simply sync your current debit card and use Grain as you would a credit card. Grain analyzes your income and instantly offers you a revolving line of credit, which this is based off of how you're using your current uh, banking account. What they're going to do, you download the app, you're going to sync it with the bank. You're going to choose from a list with the bank you're using, connect it, and then they're going to, when this right here, this connection right here is when you're going to find out the amount of credit that they're going to give you. And from my vendor that works with me, he's saying that they've been getting upwards of $1,000 in approved credit to use. All right, if you need help with your credit, please remember to visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores, please visit the number 3scores.com. I plastered that right here in this yellow box on the screen. And if you need the debt validation letter or the statute of limitations letter or the cease and desist collection activities letter, those links are below this video. And I'd like to thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.